back to the channel, my people. I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Boy, my people, Rochelle and Denier kind of make me give up on love certain way because of them type of love them would I want with my significant other, where we dress up and look matching and look good. You have some couple where they match together but them don't look good together. But Rochelle and Denier, anytime them step out, my people, you can look on the couple picture them if you can find them same way. Them used to flood each other page with pure couple picture and them look damn good together. You see me? And that kind of teach me say not everything that glitters is gold. You understand me I say? So TikTok law, I have some things to say, my people, and you know what I mean, you know she with our discussion already and she are gonna root up everything what she can root up to expose the truth. Seeing? So at least, you know what I mean, when me say truth, I fear truth because you don't know only wait I say, well maybe are the truth. So we're gonna get in that, my people. We also have Annie and our man, seeing where them kind of have me thinking, you know, I may appreciate, you know, say this relationship when them start out with was a prank from beginning to now. You know what I mean? I can be wrong still, but I just that me a think. You see me? Cause right now my people, them at it again. Every minute them at it today, tomorrow them good again. And as the people them say, Annie is a person who can ball for Jamaica cause our high water they very very near my people. You see me? Also we have the lion man. I give Annie some word of advice. We also have the world boss, my people. Him come out and make a PSA to the Trinidadian people them or fans them after the Minister of Defense comes block him from, you know what I mean, doing an interview and also talking to the youths. So we're gonna get in at that and maybe add more things as we go along. So we're gonna kick it off for people.
Month and bop as she got Jamaica so Denier breeder with blessing.
I think that's why it tells DNA.
Then when time she come with Denier move come in America now she and him never have sex because the baby mother obey him and he couldn't stand up.
Yeah.
But after 3 months she breed with chosen. You be saying a first girl me say with PCOS and cis fertile so.
Lord of his mercy. But
So she wasn't pregnant before?
what is she? But wasn't she fooling around one other man named Joe or sitting a castle?
Yeah, I never fool with her man.
Yeah, she said Josie baby father.
That's the one with dead
Yeah, the one word.
He's our man and a fool around is our man. Fool around and your man are two different things. Is our man. Fool around they do one little thing here and there. That's our man.
It was going on long.
Then say IUD should have in.
Not a damn IUD. Rochelle tell all kind of lie. When having IUD if you can't breed. Woman we having can't breed, what am I do with IUD? Yeah, I mean say you need a when we having our man live in Jamaica where she do with IUD and she said she was actively trying to have a baby. No make that make sense. You are actively with your husband and try to have a baby and you having IUD. Your husband live in Jamaica. Nobody when not actively participated in sex.
Then no need to birth control.
We need have birth control for your husband in Jamaica and you said your husband was actively trying to have a baby. So I tell you, is it somebody that get up on him up here someone send a plan, don't just like fool like a Rochelle. Rochelle can't tell me nothing for me believe that the girl there. You say you have PCOS, you have cis, and you do much surgery, you can't get pregnant. What you do with IUD?
Joe had multiple women with multiple children.
What you do with IUD? That makes sense. You're married, you're actively trying.
But if the birth control is a form of way for help from the cis from your
not the IUD, K.
Other birth control.
Other birth control, but not the IUD. Not the IUD. Other birth controls, yes, but not the IUD.
Wow, Jesus. So Rochelle.
You actively a try, you this and you that, you blah blah blah, and this and that, and you having IUD. And as I take out the IUD, you breed. You're there. You're fertile, but because sometimes some girls take out the IUD for birth control, but for wait a while.
Yeah. And when you come out for birth control, it change up your cycle. Like drastically change your cycle.
IUD control hormones.
Rochelle just tell a lie and she don't know the lie. So the girl, the way the girl want to lie, she come with one book like pretti.
Mighty God.
She come with one book like pretti.
You look terrible. Terrible. Not
The way
pretty.
the girl lie, she come with one book like pretti.
So what happened to
I don't
Pretty
care
Dan?
when they say Rochelle is a liar.
Him and him walk and tell lie, man. Him to practice lie.
And she believe every word she say.
Get
Yes.
back in because she can come back on live.
But you know, you're not for the sister-in-law. The sister-in-law not have to tell we nothing if we know she appear like Rochelle tell. She not have to come out and tell we know that long
Anybody
time.
believe Rochelle after this? By Rochelle telling y'all that you don't have to file for divorce in the court to get a divorce. Y'all should
Those
know.
people them still believe her.
Anybody believes her after that is really y'all past
Those
dumb.
people them still believe her. You know, your people them say yes. You those people them still believe her. And the those people them still believe said Dinier not take care of her.
But see your baby mother there.
Well, she get enough money for this month. She get-
Darling, today's your baby father birthday. There's my cash app right there if you love your baby father. Go
She
ahead.
got $1,500
Lion,
this
please.
month.
One lion. That's my baby mother, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all follow her. She's right there in the group. Let's follow my baby mother. Her name is Rosealee.
Well, she get $1,500 this month. So
1,500 yeah there. Some people not never get $15, she get 1,500.
I'm telling you,
You know how much people not get $15, much less than 1,500?
but she and the kids them hungry.
No, because she want call the man for basically the paper where she are giving me okay. The paper where she are giving, basically she want him to sign the paper like a him initiate the divorce.
Here there.
So she can go back on public assistance. Because remember she said before Dinier come, she used to get everything, you know. And from Dinier come and she married, she cut her off for everything. A damn fool. We go change the name in her passport for dirty girl. You know, say, idiot.
When she said, when
And
she
you want
said,
have wife title in a passport, you never think so they might cut you off, idiot girl. To show you say you're idiot and dunce.
You really think what she said she
To
did?
show you say you're idiot and dunce. You want wife title, you go put on your, she go put on her citizenship, so she married and changed name and every damn thing. Of course they're gonna cut you off. You're an idiot.
well, she better get her job because 47 change up the whole thing. No food stamp all and sick. They're going cut short.
Everything.
Yeah, that's what she do. Because she said before Dinier come, she was getting everything.
If you have a child now, they're trying to pass where if your child is over 7, you can't get food stamp. Jesus.
Yeah, they was like, guys, we're not going in there. We're not going to rabbit hole there, please. We're not going to rabbit hole there with that man there. We're not even talking about that man there. We're not going down the rabbit hole there. Because he cannot do that. The most food stamp go to Caucasian people in this country. He cannot do that. And if he do that, that cause him alone our cause thing. She went when she get her citizenship, she went and changed out her name and put married for everything. So when the man come, they cut her off. What do you think is gonna happen?
I'm going to cut you off.
They're gonna cut you off. You're a married woman. But that no, she want the man to sign the paper. She go to the clerk office, you know. She get the paper. Now she want the man to sign it like a him initiate the divorce, so she can go back at the public assistant place to get Medicaid and everything all over again.
Yeah.
And she tell the man left her. Yeah, she go tell them say the man left her and she need help.
So she can't sit down some more.
Yeah, that's what she doing.
She went and got the paperwork printout and she tell y'all she went and
She buy it, you know. She buy the
Alright, some people hear the people them and say Rochelle lie like sure. Yes, so I say I me hear some contradiction in our stories them, so mother point her out as a liar also. But my people, alright, you see sometimes we as man we create some monsters, you know. Yeah man, we create the monsters them man. Me I tell you know, because we have a good girl and she love we and them way there, you know. And we first start cheat on them, you know. Although woman just like how man cheat, a same way woman cheat, you know. So me I wonder if I didn't hear create that monster, yeah, Rochelle is sneaking from a long time and I do her thing, because me tell myself say no, anytime you have a woman live with a Jamaica and she fly with her foreign, you know, especially if a filing and you know gone right back her, you know, just tell yourself say yo, that I know my woman no more, you know. Only if she come back and you feel like say Ray, you can take her back, but don't have it in your head if you say yo, I feel your woman same way. You understand what I say? So, me don't know what go on, but there were a couple goals, my people. You see me? There were a couple goals. Let me know what you think we watch some more.
Thing for the clerk office, print out, sign up. But she want to make it seem like the man initiate the divorce, because you know, so when your husband left you and she got public assistance, everybody, she start bawling my sorry for her and give her everything.
And like she love for ball already.
They must sorry for her and give her everything, because she said the man left for her and now give her nothing, because you know, so when he has to go wait till the divorce finalized. So that is what she's trying to do. So she thinks that people stupid. Like, yeah, people them alone will listen to you, idiot. That not work, galley.
Yes, he's beating the near. Oh, he's a waste man. He used the woman all these years.
Who I believe her is just like her.
Yeah, because all of them not the people that believe her don't have no baby father. They don't, and them don't know the system. Because she talked upon her life, she said from income she used to get everything, and from income then cut her off of everything. She said it more than one time. She said from income them cut off everything, so she's trying to get back where she cut off, but how she have to get it back? She have to make it seem like say the man leave her.
Well, she's smart enough, she can find a babysitter and go find her a job. Like everybody.
She don't want that. She a TikTok the lady.
Why
the woman don't want
have
that.
to go find a job when everybody else on here begging too?
That's why she don't. Okay, you know, no, she don't want no job. She want to live by here and play pity party. She don't want that.
I guess she want to make $10,000 a week.
Yeah.
But all she got try get rid of Dinero when Dinero had the controversy between she and Dinero make she make money on TikTok. Then that makes sense.
She don't want to get rid of him. She like the drama surrounding that. That is what make her money.
That's how we give our platform.
Yeah, she don't want that.
So a mind game she out there play with the people.
A mind game she play with them. If she genuinely wanted a divorce, she would have been got a divorce. Should have been filed and get a divorce. She don't want a divorce. She don't want a divorce. She want to out here play the pity party and cuss him and class him. And then the woman who careless like she wants to listen to her.
Rochelle might go right back to the near after a while.
Of course, Rochelle will see her across the
Rochelle.
The right bill was how much? $1,000 a day?
Okay.
What it, Claude? My poor light bill at $80. And fear I want $1,000. How much money she offer?
We will hear.
Jesus Christ. FP, well, she don't live here, she live at Georgia.
But Georgia, that's similar to Florida when it comes to those things. Light not expensive. I know New York she live.
Georgia, they give her options. If she keep pushing it, they give her options.
So how many months so she up here light bill?
I think it was like 6-7 months of bills she didn't pay.
Jesus Christ, boy. Me not care how much option the light people give you $1,000. And I guess the people then paid for her, our so-called people then.
Yeah, one lady paid the whole bill for sure.
Yeah, I say she not run up back in light bill. Somebody paid.
Yeah, Jesus.
Or supported them pay.
Me not pay no light bill for she, and I couldn't do that at all. Me not that fun of you that me go take my $1,000 pay your light bill. No, sir. Some people just careless.
Really like, and I can't ever get a hand heart over here.
Miss what? Miss Child and say at the man do it. What man do it?
No, it wasn't the near who paid the bill. That bill was paid by a woman.
Oh. take me down here, liar. Me I go to Walmart now go pick up some stuff.
You Walmart. Pick up a birthday cake.
Ah boy. I'm gonna try to help that little guy there with the sickle cell. Okay. Alright.
There's something really bad that's happened.
Like the internet is bare trouble. Rochelle get them on the internet like they ain't get no common sense. And then Ivany robbing the rest of them.
Okay, Ivany, strike again, Gally. Ivany, strike again, Gally. Okay, download this up, them? You download them?
So me ignorant. I saw me begify. I saw me love long out me hand. I'm a even work. Jen, what on?
Team. We need a sniper. You know, me never can win one game from him. Me have to go. No, Jayden, me have to put my team together and win even one game from you.
Not today. You can't go win today. Probably tomorrow. But you're willing to make your try still.
Alright, nothing try, nothing done.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, Jay, thank you.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Big up to my bestie. Big up yourself. Enough love. Room 2. Big up yourself, baby. All of the ladies, thank you. Pretti. Everybody at double tap. Jay, one more. We not give up so easy.
No, man. Play.
Alright. Guys, we play that 1 year. I will go back to a normal segment after we didn't do the squad. Go, alright?
You don't play until I win.
Yeah, we're gonna play until we inbox you. Okay. Alright, baby, no problem.
What inbox about? You need help, you know. What inbox about?
I don't really know, but like, yeah, some people where they reach out to me and them ask for help. But I know me like take my money in. Sometimes I have people on my platform where decide they want to help them. But Jay, me have one lady where she asked me for some help. Her 2 legs them gone.
So I got help her. You got help her?
Yeah, just like how you help me, I think I can do something for her enough to be big.
Yeah, you can do something for your man. Do something for your man, anyone.
Alright, that's it.
But make sure you help out yourself too. First.
Let me tell you something, people. You see, empty vessel cannot pour in another empty vessel. Whether the empty vessel they are going to pour in the next one. In a life, you have to really, you know what I mean, cut from a different cloth. For in a certain situation where you don't really have it like that, for help other people. I mean, know people will stay so. You understand? So the Almighty, I go bless them people. And some of the time, them same people there, them not leave and which part them there in their life, you know. Them in the same position, I'll do them and help other people. You see me? So if you are going to help a person, don't do it, forget something. You know what I mean? Because if I look for something, when you help people, at the end of the day, you might don't get it. See, and you have enough people who use that, like say boy, I help them and help out a person, and you know what I mean, take how much contribution, and when they check it out, the people them not get the amount of them forget, or you know what I mean, them not get it none at all. I mean, no say wanna see it on TikTok unfold already. See? So only them have to pour in themselves, you see me, fully, before them go pour in other people, because our youth them need it too. You see me, I say our youth them a struggle. Our son of him two youth them and them a struggle same way. Our daughter a struggle, you know what I mean? So, you know, nothing wrong for help out a person, you know, when you see need, you know. But help out yourself and your people them. You see me? Yeah, so make you watch some more with people.
Yeah, may I make sure I put myself first and do what I have to do, and next still help. Now, so guys, mute it.
Yes.
Alright, no problem. Alright.
Because you know God, you can't make sure walk. You can't pray for you, that's a part of help.
That's true, but you can go there, go spend the day with her, comb her hair, cook for her, and, you know, make sure get some things where, you know, she needed.
You don't even know the lady. I say you even trust people.
And that's not just guys, focus.
Angel, why you don't wait? Angel, wait! Me know you not like her, me know you like me. I mean, you want to shoot her, don't me know say give me give you money for shoot, but wait!
Guys, 21 Rose, 21 shot. 21 guys. Come on guys, 21.
Catch your speed, twist it, beg us something. Catch your speed, I'll pay there, G.
Guys, come on, me mute it. Guys, catch your speed. Come on, guys. Guys, we need the speed. Everybody come in, guys. 21 Rose. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Angel and RJ look like they want to mash it up a pay there.
Come on, guys. Catch your speed. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Come on, guys. Let's go. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Queen. Oh my God, baby. Come on, guys. 21. Queen, don't shoot that again. Put it on the triple. Queen, don't shoot that again. Thank you, baby. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Guys, we're close. Come on, team. Come on. Ooh. We catch you. Alright guys, double tap, guys. Everybody want to shoot on the triple. Guys, we could try, we could put out our best. Guys, put out.
No. Angel, no. Anything you have, you're dropping, no. Anything you have, you're dropping, no. I know if you drop it. The time is no. Don't wait. Do not wait. The time is, see that the time is no. See, go up there. Guys, the time is no. Anything you drop, multiply by tens. So the score go look big. All when we think no big. Beautiful, thank you. Come on, my team. Angel, thank you. Come on, my team. No. RJ. No, my team. No. Ash. No. All right. All right.
Just give me a minute, all right? All right, baby. Beg some water, please. Guys, we can play one game. Make we play one game. Jayden. Me no want.
Don't move.
No, me no want it.
Honey.
Bro, you know, so I don't know what I'm talking about. I just play a match a while ago.
So what's your cry? Annie, why you cry?
Jayden, make a comment section, them tell you what go on. You see you? You see you? Everything what you do go come back right back round upon you. And you know exactly what you do. You see me a woman like me, will love you for to me apologize to you. I see for what you do, it will come back right back in your face. You hear me tell you? Remember that here. Jayden later.
Wait now, Annie, wait now. Annie, wait. Police, where you do, bro?
I don't know.
Annie, what him do?
In comment section, you understand? Who the girl yet? Him a go with in comment section. And them honestly, I be a disrespect. And you disrespect me right on the live. I mean not disrespect you. And you do it on that style and you know exactly what you do. You know what you do. You use your brains and style me.
Yeah, hear me?
You understand me? And with your people.
Me and I there play a match. I have over 600 people over here and I can't catch a speed with like I want 13 roads to catch one speed. I get upset and I end the live.
Alright, my people, in the intro, me tell you say, me start believe say, Annie and our man plan this scene and it's a prank. But me want Uno tell me what Uno think. Seeing Uno feel like I prank them, I prank the people them and the whole of them story what them I tell. You know what I mean? I make them make it up for come put your hand on a show or you know what I mean, get some followers, views, gifts, whatever. You see me? Tell me what you think in the comment section cause me want pray if I'm me alone I think so. I may have other like-minded persons out there who I pray the same way. Make watch some more.
After I end the live, I call her, I explain to her, I tell her, I say, I'm not going to sit down over here with 600 people and can't catch a speed with 13 rows. She said, come back on the live. I come back on the live and me and her there play. I don't remember what in my comment section, I just, one girl come in my comment section and say something, say me for go sell peanut. So I say, stinking girl, when you go sell your pussy, go wash out your pussy and sell it. As I say that, I say she jump off. Two toes, I see people in my comment section, I say, she over there cry. After them say that, I say she call me. Before she even say, hey, I say, what I'm to you? She say, stop calling my name over your life, but my ear now.
Make him talk first. Make him talk first. Wait.
Say, stop calling my name over your life. Hang up. Then, I accept the request.
You look down in your comment section, Team Blue, want to no comment, I want to go talk it truth because a whole heap of people they hear see. But they hear deal with you good from morning. Simple somebody comment, you tell them me if go and go make them love me. Disrespectfully up on the live, Jayden.
Who said that?
I just a part there.
Kevin said that to me.
Bro, hold on, Annie, baby, hold on, when she had me, bro. When she had me, as she had me, she read out a comment say, him no love you, you know. So I say, who said that? She say, she not tell me who. So I say, alright, then if anybody will say that, tell them for love you. Since me no love you, tell them for love you.
Because people see up on your life and style me. Even who you put a girl them in the box and the girl them and style me. And you did talk about the whole incident.
Bro, nobody not style her, bro. Listen, nobody styling her, bro. Listen, nobody not style her. Jay, listen up. Nobody not style her. They come by here.
One somebody at a time, bro.
Them tell me, listen, bro. Protect yourself, don't go. Our ex-man live next door and up to last night him dep on live in a dark I tell people how much him love her and them thing there. How the fuck me I go feel in a one bumbuckler yard with you and your ex-man that live next door, bro? You know, you tell me say you understand but you don't understand, bro. Madman, bro.
When we attack.
Jesus Christ. Wait.
What happened, Annie?
Well, wait. Yo, police. You see if Lando upon him live in a film own yard a same love, Annie, you cannot stop that, bro.
Jayden.
Who for yard? Him did an Annie yard I said that.
Hear me I said to you. I don't know which yard I said that, but hear me I said to you.
But you don't know which yard. You don't know which yard I say you can't.
Bro. Listen, I say bro, man to man. Yeah, hear me I say, father.
Yeah.
Me live we are Kingston. You realize I'm forward right there, I bring 2 dogs for govern the thing. Yeah. Me live way at Kingston, bro. When Annie and me not tell Annie enough to come back, yes, sir, but Annie true, she don't do what she do, she feel away. Me know that she not have to tell me that. She can come here anytime, nobody not trouble her anytime. Me not no ex live next door. Me not no ex where I live next door and I come live every night. I play a song and I say they want me back. Me not no ex, I do that none at all.
Probably can't treat ex them good.
Jayden, me can say something, please? Let me say something, please. I beg you. May I pause him?
Yeah,
Jayden,
yes. So
live and everything I go good. We play a match and the comment section vote for who come visit who. So the comment section vote if me for go for him or him for come at me. The comment section make me win. You understand me? So him for come visit me. You see, the moment he realize that the comment section make me win, him begs. You understand me? Him agree now, say, okay, maybe him pull up. Me say, babe, me walk a mile for you, so me come at you. Right? Yes, so when him did that, me don't know what go wrong if for the game him now win or what go down, him start get ignorant. You understand me? And turn disrespectful to me. Ask the comment section, me treat him with love. Me show him attention, you get me? And him a go disrespect me. Panic comment in the comment section and my pretty people them in the comment section and I follow them. Right? Anyway, him did him a go say, oh, make a comment section love you. Me find that so disrespectful. Me come off my live now, Jay. No, me come off him live, me jump off and me do over my part and me feel bad because me I say, bro, me I did the man I saw him I did me stuff. Yo, him take up the girl them in the box. And the girl them did they diss me. And the comment section a slaughter me. And me I tell you, say, me take up with that nigga you for life, bro. The man not take up for me, the man I talk about the all things them. And I bring it back up. You understand me? And I agree with him people them in the comment section, bro. Bro, me done with your style. Me hear me tell you, there's a limit where a person can go. You not rate me. I style your style. Me think you are your people them and a long time me see you do it and me come for out of this. Me cut. That me I tell you, because you never deserve my fucking tears. And that me I tell you, yeah?
Honey, wait, honey.
No, me done. Me done. Fuck you. Fuck you!
She called me a while ago. She a ball. Like she called me, my answer, I say, what I'm to you? Because I see people in the comment section at him say she a ball. She said for stop. She said for stop. Call her name. And don't call her phone.
You have to the point, you have to mute them and you go over their live go listen to what them are saying. You don't want nobody full up over their live to listen and you can't support. There's three other lives on this.
You don't save for the money, you know? Yo, why not go in a shop? Why not go in a shop or somewhere? When I rent, you know, so now we
bro, but watch and listen, bro. Listen to what you
also fix up a place like about Airbnb for. I fix that every night. I turn under 15,000 at a night. Yeah, bro, fix up a place, dog. On a car,
I get forward, bro. I tell her for forward. I tell her for forward. She want to come up there.
Bro, now for work together, like I'm fixing a place, bro. You see, guy, 200 place want to fix. No styling thing, bro. I do want donut.
Some people, what the root cause of them two problem? The man disrespectful. That are the root cause of the problem. And if him looking at himself and him not see nothing for change, them not fit there together then. You see me I say them not fit there together. And if she knows him disrespectful and she tell him about it more than once and him still a disrespect her, she need to left. You understand? You can't stay in a relationship where you constantly have to tell a person why you're mad. You see me I say? You constantly have to get an argument with a person. No, my people, you need to come out of that relationship there. And the relationship start today, and by tomorrow the two of them are cuss. What kind of friendship that? Because it have to start off as friendship first, you know. You see me? What kind of friendship that? Now it becomes a full-blown relationship because two of them are move fast. You know what I mean? This relationship, them supposed to all married already. You know what I mean? But with people, me want to tell me what they think in the comment section, you know. Because them two are clearly, they should not be together. That me say, what you say.
Guys, I want big up Lily. Lily, thank you so much. Guys, one Anat and one donut. Catch a speed.
Right, catch a speeder, catch a speeder. Catch a speeder, come.
Yeah, man, Rose and Dawg.
Catch a speeder.
I reality, man, I say,
guys, if you're not give me nothing, you know, guys, man, I'm telling you. Come on, my team, use the triple.
Triple.
That's true, guys.
Triple charge. Troop on the triple, guys.
Yeah.
Destiny.
Guys, triple.
Triple charge, use the triple.
Use the gloves. Use the gloves.
Use up the triple, guys. Use up the triple. Use up the triple, guys. Use the triple. Use the triple.
Density. Destiny, guys, everyone follow.
Use it, child. Guys, shoot on the triple, guys. Use it.
Do they know?
Shoot again, child.
Triple chat.
Use the triple.
Shoot again.
Triple chat. Win. Triple chat.
Shoot again, child. God. Guys, around, go reach out, sexy T. Destiny, thank you.
Everyone fly by this. No pussy test.
Guys, we are looking more real.
Guys, I don't have gloves.
Bad cards.
It's not look good, bro.
Guys, we have gloves.
Ideas, big up yourself, you know.
We have gloves.
Thank you, guys. Everybody, thank you so much.
Guys, we don't have gloves, guys. We don't have gloves.
We have the gloves, guys.
Guys, we don't have gloves.
Big up Diva. Big up that girl, Diva.
Shake it out, man.
Yes, guys, gloves.
I left on my ex and them are gonna use that for me. You understand? And my fault my ex live next door. Always I try to move on from him. The man have a young little baby. I'm just I use all of this excuse. All of this I use the excuse. You know how funny it is, I know I try because I said to the person said, me walk 1,000 miles for you. But you just want me look bad, like you just a prep on everything. Because if I said I would walk 1,000 miles for you, that means I will get up right now and put on my clothes and come anywhere you did. So it's not about no ex, it's about the disrespect. How you make people come and style me. I don't make nobody style you. Once I love you, nobody can style you, bro. When you vex, when things not work out for you, you vex. If somebody send me a rose, me alright. If somebody send me a donut, I'm good because you don't know what the people them have. Sometimes I want to send gift for when me look me not have. If you send me feel bad. You understand? Because I see somebody give me something I want send a gift when me look me not have it. And every time people have it, all we have to do is smile. And anything me have, me share it with you. I would share any fucking thing with you. So if you don't make it, me make it. I'm tired of people that use me. I'm tired of people that fucking hurt me. Me now go back near no more body. I swear to you upon my life, me now go back near no more body because people just take me for some fucking idiot. Because they say, I have this thing where I'm soft man, certain level, they style me. I'm going to tell you, I never like him for true, you know, I didn't really like him, but it's not too much food, it's too much, it's too much. You they style me. The dirty family you go up in. I tell oh, remember what she do? Yeah, listen to all of them. Nobody. Guys,
this, me don't wanna embarrass it. Me don't want nobody come and disrespect me. I don't want nobody in my box to disrespect me. Alright, it don't happen already. Just leave me. Me don't need to come and disrespect me. Me not like that. Let me take up one somebody on the start here. Me not go talk to you, you know. Me not go sexy. Me don't know who to take up in my box because you know, a whole heap of people want to disrespect me. Me don't know who to freaking take up. Me don't know who to take up in my box. Alright? Because somebody go come up here and disrespect me. And next, for what? Me don't want to talk in, bro. It's alright. I don't know if you say nothing. Me understand. I prayed my bed, I lie down in night, alright? I already prayed my bed, I lie down in night. Nobody enough to come up here and disrespect. I wasn't on the live, but I came back on and see you crying. What happened? Bestie, me just did it and everything I go good, smile, happy. We vote who fi visit who. Them say him fi visit me, but me did already know him scared of coming down here, you get me? So me did already have it planned to me I go. You understand? Yeah. And next we just did it, I thought nice. Somebody say something in the comments, and next time I got aggressive, you know, disrespectful, make them love you then, since, you know, make them love you, you know, and it never called for because I call him on the phone and I cut off the phone and me I said to him, say, babe, stop watching negative comments, just come on, make we do this together, right? So him never need to come on and say that, you understand me, make them love you. Alright, so we move on from this, so I cut off with some because I see my cousin I get ignorant and so I cut off a match and next me did it. And next otherwise one lady come in her box and yo, he have the people them in the comment section, them they not say him have them, but them a diss me and he take up a girl them in her box. And the girl them a tell him a bag of things and member say Annie do you this, member say Annie that.
Him up me over crazy live and me run couple of the blood clot box. I'm just make them know say hello look here and I said is either uno trap, uno take out him out of the box or me leave uno here. Cause me not go argue with Tiki, cause me not like him. Him is very ungrateful. Him not no loyalty. You have to have loyalty to somebody. You can't always ungrateful in a life. Nurse Brown was the last person you should have even opened your mouth about. And whether you like Nurse Brown or not, it is just the fucking truth. Triple would have been the last person for me open my mouth fire on social media. If she got something and piss me off, me rather jump. And me don't talk. When me jump, me we don't talk. Me and job has to go at it, but it's not serious like that. If me jump, I say something, me don't talk.
Hey people, you see TikTok of them, me can tell you, them are the biggest hypocrite you ever come across. Remember me tell you that. You see me, I say me can tell you that much, say you are the biggest hypocrite them. Today, just a minute ago, you are going to see one of them cuss the next one to scan. And then the next minute, you are going to see the two of them smile with each other and chat up with each other. You see me, I say, yeah. So, them are the biggest hypocrite. Because the same person Rosalie I said them things about, you soon see them on live, I laugh up and I talk up to one another. Remember me did tell you that, yeah? Mark it down, say me did tell you that.
You have to have loyalty. That human being. You have to have loyalty. Him not have no loyalty. I want to tell him, say, when I tell him the truth, him vex. If you look upon him as a ticket Trevor, use him vex. And that's why him and Macy do all of them argument. That's why him and Macy, Kenneth, big one and all of them in an argument what they have. Because the people that make him know, say, Trev don't want you. Trev is using you. And him start to class the people them. All them says Trev don't want you, Trevor, and him start to rub and scrub and white and shine and polish. Because you have to be a stupid ass fucked up person. Dumb. Because if Trev, they have America almost 5 years now, and him did blood clot catch, while me left from Jamaica, just 2 months I'm gonna take my help, and my help and my opportunity, you know. You get your help, because them say, you know, opportunity only come once in a lifetime. Help only come, help will come, opportunity come one time. You get your opportunity to live somewhere with the blood clot you have tried Trev go. Trev they here 5 years and I catch him a catch. So just to show you that him is a mastermind of manipulation. Him is a dirty thinking batty man. I don't him and the next one too. I don't look on she. Because for somebody who said they used to par with blood clot, quite pipery is very disgusting. Him throw him on and hide. Him always again, me want to cry look. Me upset look. People are texted for me look. Them are bully me look. All of them the look them give you. Me sad. I want to cry. I say when I'm ready, him put up the puppy eye. Cause you know she read already. And put up him eye him put up him eye. Put up him eye them in the camera. Up in the camera so. Make him look like say he want to cry. Me see through Trev. And all that me shenanigans. Cause he used to talk about, oh, think I don't want to argue upon life, but the true real meaning, you want Tika to argue. Because if Tika is not arguing, there's no crowd, and there's nobody to, no crowd, no gifters, not got there, I'm not done for big or tight. So, it's at that point, the point is we want to show the internet. It's not like say I don't want Trev no want to you know, but he want to use him. Trev now go just Lego him like that. It will never happen. Trev now go Lego ticket just so it will never blood clot happen. You know why it will never happen? Because Trev wants somebody to build him in a life. Cause I remember saying, you know, when Trev just got blood clot, I would that man and my mom there, what me used to take. Pete, maybe your father. You put up 10 wheel and chat. Ever chat the people in business chat? When I put no post, can everybody can afford the post. We put 10 wheel. Pete, thank you. Chat, we can put 1 wheel if you have it every now and again. Let me tell you, chat. Mr. Ward Nurse Brown, I'm going to tell you chat. Trev, the America, 5 years now. Over Island TV, me hear, when me hear him talk, say, you know, him say, the person who help him come America, him live with them for 5 years now. When me I get to understand, say, Trev friend deliver the black man yard was sell a sweetie. And Trev fight out him friend at the black man yard. I pay 3 so them used to do. And the black man ever beat Trev and the black man no want Trev dead. But you know when you're hand in a lion mouth, a long time Trev want leave dead. So you know when you're hand in a lion mouth you want me kiss and leave. So you know when I'm a film business, the man blood clot business. The man sweetie blood clot business, not a film business. So you know when I'm in a lion blood clot motor you want to leave, I hit them now. So when they want to leave now, and they matter about.
Alright, my people, who have loyalty on TikTok? Tell me, who do you think in yourself, wanna watch, have loyalty on TikTok. None of them TikTokers are no loyal at all. The only thing them loyal to is the money, is the money, the gifts. That I only, not even the gift of them no loyal to some of the time. You see me I say, me I telling you that, big man thing, I wanna know that too. So when Rosalie has the loyal, that even Rosalie no loyal. Me I tell you, remember me they tell you that. Look what some more people.
Oh, I'm going to get put out. I'm going to get put out. And the man never put him out, like him and the man dead long time. Him just want to leave. So him use sticky as him escape plan. Figure so boop back bang bang. I'm on social media and you're on social media. Let us rent a house. You pay half and I pay half. Imagine not there. A 3-man sit there the night before. Trev, Jay, and Tiki. Trev in a theme room and Jay and Trev in the other room. I mean, say Trev, well, I say Jay with this man and Jay would be, you see. So, me and you for live a house. Me and you live a house. That means we not there. That means we not there. We not there. We not there. Here in this man, you know, me and Trev not there. Me and Trev is just business partner. Me say here. Then if me and business partner, we can't live in the same house. Me and you a business partner, we can't live in the same house, a blood clot. Me get my own place and look my rent money, and you get your own place and look your rent money. Me and you not going to the same blood clot house. What Tiki expect pan Trev, him not got blood clot, get it? I know when you use somebody to ride to the cage and him a go be in personal downfall. Him a go be in personal downfall because the boy where you go rent penthouse for you and him go live in is a boy we call police by already a foreign. Is a boy we call the cops already by you in a foreign and the cops show up at your blood clot door and you still go back and chat to him. Now when you go learn, you're not legal in America. And you're lucky said them never blood clot. Wall Empire say come. Let me see your papers. I'm a cause of what? Somebody call him funny the simple wall and pan it. Nurse Brown, forget with them nasty blood clot. Call immigration, call ICE, call all of them and make him ship him back blood clot, yeah. Alright, place him there further where it's more easy. File a complaint, your nurse. Take out a lawsuit, your nurse. Take out a lawsuit, your nurse, it's more easy. File a complaint, your nurse, it's more easy and get rid of them nasty blood clot. I'm not too ungrateful enough for go away. I'm not talk as if I like Nurse Brown. I'm not like Nurse Brown. I'm not talk as if I like Tiki. I'm not like Tiki. Me I talk between the middle. I'm not sorry for Nurse Brown neither blood clot. Cause Nurse Brown would tell me say me a hug. In a film terms, Nurse Brown they look at me and tell me say him not hang out with people like me. Cause me's a hug. That me get out of the story. Me not sorry for Nurse Brown. But Nurse Brown will have a blood clot learn say Tiki them a dirty batty man. You can't buy the hands that feed you. In a life, you can't bite the hand that feed you. Me and my friend can have a dispute. Me and my friend can have a dispute without social media. Auntie Rose, look how you want. Then me don't want him. Me don't want him. Me don't want him. Me don't want him. Me don't want Nurse Brown. Me know him I go get it. What you feel like say? Family, my only me use. Only me use. Only me use. Only me use. Cause me and him, me and Tiki never can agree. This minute we argue and the next minute we chat back. But the only me use. I said, no man. But Tiki have no loyalty. O'Neal Forel is a boy where Tiki so long and talk upon phone every blood clot night. And him come on social media, come class, O'Neal and do the most. When Tiki go America, a Pebbles idea was for him to go through the border. And him still come on social media, come class her. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? When Tiki go a foreign, Tiki beg me money, I'm saying go give him. And when Tiki reach a foreign, him say my money come give me, and me get away back. Let me use 20 all tight by some credit, and third that they left. I'm saying go give me friend. I said go give me friend, and my friend make it up and said go give Smaddy pan one live. Me not call them then, me not bring up back that. Tiki have no loyalty. Tiki would have come like Derek. Them have no loyalty. I ever got said when the bag of chaos done and the judgment done and the views done and the hype done, you know my campaign rent this month, next month, other month. You can't pay the rent 3 month time. By the next other time rent campaign. Kind of gift natural, everybody I look at a drought. And you can't dash on the stick before you cross the water. And it's not Tavi that's a dash on the stick before you cross the water, not Tavi. You helped me when I was down.
Hey, all the nurse brother, yeah. Me don't know how him just pop up on the scene, so in everybody business, you know, from the whole ivany thing, this a man up on the scene, and him just in every little mix up more while way. Me where him carry himself and act on something, you know think say why him man the type of mix up person, but then again, you know what I mean, you can't judge a book by its cover. Alright my people, you go on. All him to him figure sit down because him big enough, him old enough, and him know certain things. You cannot, people, listen me, and listen me good. I don't know if you go by that rule here, and if you don't go by that rule here, you know nobody will now go in and nothing when it comes to money and lending and borrowing. Listen me, I say, do not lend a person what you can't afford to lose. You see, anything where you want or you need or you have use for, do not lend it. If you have something where if you lost in a business, you can go on. You see me I say? You can lend that. Because me don't know how this man take up his money, and when I go hear him later, soon hear because Rosealee I go join him. And he will go tell you how much money him spend up on right? You cannot, out of the goodness of your heart, you'd love to help out a person, but you can't afford to lose this money. Do not spend it on a person where you know saying, first of all, a money them chump up to come with them there. See, them no guarantee to get a work no time soon, which part them there. Them don't have no means of income than TikTok, and TikTok no work out for everybody, right? So you are one, you take up your money and lend that person, you forget a beating too. You see me I say, you forget whatever coming to you. You should never take up your money and give that person, because that the person they don't have the way to make forget you back that money. Right, unless them come on TikTok. Me agree, see a lot of people that on TikTok and make how much money. But so much money, you deserve what you get. Anything you get, you take, right? Let me know what I think with people.
Will you help me in a life when I was gone? Gratitude goes a far way. Yeah, there are some people when we would have never in an argument with. Me and some people, I tell myself, not like me. Nurse Brown, Ush. Ush, Nurse Brown, next thing you know, don't mix yourself with low life. Ush. And don't judge a book by its cover. I don't want to say low life. Next time, Nurse Brown, for your man who have adequate and diplomatic and the things them, don't judge a book by its cover. Because you use all me behave on social media and cuss when I'm ready to judge me and say, oh, I'm not a person that you're going to hang out with. And at the end of the day, when compare can do you like compare can do you like come say take care do you. Because people can cry for help every day. I forgot send somebody to help you. Cause Nurse Brown don't know ticket from nowhere that born me. Triple know him from now neither me make triple know him. And if the woman to check up by your bed, you don't have to tell social media that. You make you and shit, you make you and her work out the bed money. No your talk say no. No you got talk say no, you go buy your one bed. No the people them say yes and should enough. Should enough and should this and should that and should enough. I'm there on live and say triple send our money for people to tap our screen. Just tap. Just to tap our screen alone. She said send me a bank info. I'm gonna send her something because you're alone at tap. Just to tap our screen alone. I know why I'm gonna look at some of them when they come here. You cure them here, people that are gonna not come so you help them, you know. That's why I'm gonna look on them. Me? On them. Ungrateful man. Me just them on my bumbo full. Ungrateful. Me just eat on my bumbo blood clot full. Come on, so this a lighter bright, double bright, so today I can't see well. Ungrateful. Chat me, I look too live going and my best to them not come. Yeah. Me my best to them not there. So Nurse Brown here. You're a Nurse Brown, you must say.
Hey, Rose.
What's up, Nurse Brown?
Huh?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good as well. I'm just going.
Your friend.
To the atmosphere.
Your friend, man, really get on my nerves, to be honest.
My who?
Your farmer friend. Farmer friend. Let me put on the headphone here.
My farmer friend.
Alright. Somebody, your co-worker, farmer co-worker.
Me not a co-worker.
Oh.
But when me used to associate with.
Yeah, so you know, say, to be honest, right name, you know me don't know Tiki. You don't know me never meet him before, right? And as somebody who people see me on live and them say to me, say, you know, Tiki in Mexico want help. You can't help him, Nurse Brown, but I know so them a user, so I never that bother pay no mind until me decide say in really situation gone bad. And me decide say me go do it, right? Tiki come with Tiki can't say him there in Mexico. Tiki now know where for sleep. Tiki said Nurse Brown, can you book a hotel for me? I said alright. Me book a hotel. Can you send money with him there? I said alright. Transportation, alright. Me do it out of my goodness and my heart, right? Now, Tiki come across the border, get locked up, right? Me said to myself, say, me not really want to take out the lawyer fee, you know, because the lawyer expensive. So I say, you know what? Me reach out to somebody else and them said, Nurse Brown, don't do it. Don't do it. And I say, you know what? Him say, I got unalive himself. So I feel bad for him. You understand? So I say, alright, then out of the goodness, I'm going to do it. Him say, alright. If we can't do that, me will use my money, pay for the lawyer, and then we can raise money. When that's somebody reach out to you, right? You say, when we reach out to you, you said, Nurse Brown, to be honest, me in a situation, I can't really raise much money, whatever, for them. So,
never do it.
Alright. Right?
Nurse Brown, I God send you, because me never do it. I God send you, because me never do it. Because see, at that time, listeners, when they say at that time, Tiki never left a platform here for you to say, okay then, but no, say Tiki have some good people over there, so no say, we'll say, fundraise for Tiki, everybody go jump up. Him never left no platform, yeah. He never have no platform. You understand, he never have no platform, so when you go up on live and say, yeah, I got big, your people, they never put in a distress. But they got much in money for this is the result. Because me never do it. I smell the rat coming from afar because I realize I'm not no loyalty. But go ahead.
So yeah. So when I reach out to you, yes, I mean understand where you see you can't do it. So I say, alright, go. Then I say, alright then. Every day I meet Tiki call. Tiki in a prison. Oh, me go analyze myself. Oh, and my ears. Me in a class, me can't focus. Me I say, alright, I'm gonna know this person from nowhere. Me just decide that I'm a good Samaritan and me go try help him. Me reach out to to whatever next. What's your name again? Whatever Diamond. Her name. She now decides that alright then she'll try help him. Not right now. Only I'll just create too much drama right now.
Okay.
So she decides that she'll try. So we reach out to Ivany, right? So this was an agreement. Mr. Tiki, the lawyer, cost $10,000. I'm going to because I have good credit. Me can't get approved for anything. It's not like Chev. It's not like Chev who he have to rely upon Tiki and people who like Tiki for them use for them credit. Because you never know, so them call me and ask me for me to take out apartment for them.
No, my guess, me figure that out.
I'm saying no, because I already know the situation, nobody not gonna use me again. So, Mr. Tiki, me the lawyer $10,000, you know. Me got use my information and take and dwell in there. Please, when me come out, me will pay it back. When me come out, me will pay it back. You know, people in this position never say anything. So I say, alright, that was the agreement. Lawyer communicate with him. Me never know so Tiki can read. I did not know Tiki cannot read. Alright. Right? So the lawyer don't really understand him Jamaican language and patois, so me I communicate with the lawyer. Right? So communicate with the lawyer talk to him per phone, the lawyer say me know I'm having trouble communicate with him, stuff like that, but whatever my talk. So I said, Tiki, if anything you have your interview, do not make them interview without your lawyer, because you have a lawyer because you already agreed to me to get a lawyer. I already sign off on everything. Everything in my email. You understand what I mean? So I have to say wait him there. Him come out now. Me realize Tiki come out. Tiki I make money on TikTok. Right? Come in bill 1 page for him. Tiki up mine Chev. I give money to Chev for waiting him there. So I said Tiki. Me know you.
Hey, my people, you see TikTok, I got turn enough of them people here now a piece of cruff, you see. Just wait and see, man. You are going to see enough of them people here with on TikTok where I look it and now ease up because them dip on TikTok right through, my people, right through the night, right through the day, and them would never go look at work if not now really go on for them on TikTok. Them open something I got turn for them and them sit down on it every single day. All when them get the money, I want a little bit of money just to buy internet to go back on TikTok. See? So yeah, tell me say the youth in a foreign and him get the things them for work and not really I go on TikTok. Me no know still if anything I go on TikTok and him don't go look the work. Hey, TikTok over everything at that them are people I say.
Nah, really. You get a social security. You can go find a job. McDonald's, Popeyes, wherever you can go work. However, me have my mortgage for pay. I have my rent for pay. I have a 1 bedroom plus my mortgage plus everything. Mr. Tiki, you come out and you make money. You can pay for your lawyer. No matter every week, you can send me at least $50, $20 for put towards the money. Oh, me nah not know, but girl can go get ear done, nails done, and me know him send money go him family at Jamaica. So
him not said that money go family go get. Just go ahead.
Okay. So anyways, so him say fine. He might look somewhere for live. So I said, Tiki, why you look so much for live? Oh, Chev want live at Georgia or wherever. Because him decide say, at Chev, him a really focus pan. So him said to me, the money in the account, you know. So I said, Tiki, the month from April, I said, Tiki, the payment due. Tiki say, I said, I'm going to use the money, pay the lawyer, and then send the rest to you. No. Send everything, come give me. So I send the money, come give me. I look money for put towards him and Chef for live. So I say, all right then, the girl named Simone, and say, all right, WhatsApp her, everything. So I say, all right then, even though I know say, you're going to late on the payment because you decide.
You're going to late on film liar payment?
On film liar payment.
Oh.
Right? So I said, about 2 months now it late. 2 months it late. So I said, Tiki, him send the money. I remember, you know, Tiki, I get money through TikTok, right? Forward with him that take the money through. So I said, Tiki, all right, no problem. I'm going to send you the money. I send Simone the money, the girl named Simone, on WhatsApp. I'm going to send her the money. I could have used the money and pay the money, but probably not really want to argue with him. We use the money, as him said, and pay. And send him go get the money. All right. April gone. March gone, no pay. April come. I said, Tiki.
First friend, hold on, they come here look on $5. In a distress.
All right, so Mr. Team say, Tiki, April gone.
So that means him still worth a liar?
Him still worth a liar. Like me, I want loan me take out. You understand what I mean? It's the loan I take out. So me use. So, me loan I so I never gonna take my hard cash, whatever. Just because you have good credit, I can't get any money. You understand what I mean?
I know that. Mm-hmm.
So, I say, all right then, because him decide say him away him. So I take out the loan for him. And him say, all right, fine. And guys, do not do this for nobody who you don't know. Don't do it for anybody who you don't know. Don't take out on hard earned money or with him there and use it. Right? So, I say, all right then. I use my information, take out the money, and wait him there. So, I say, all right, every month, him going to pay. 2 months gone, him no want to send the money. So, I say, Tiki, at least $20 a month, you can't send. At least $20, $2 a week or whatever, let me put towards it. No, all of the money we send, go and go wait him. They want to move an apartment for go to Chef. So I send him a text him this morning. He never want to give me no money. He never want.
I never have the money that you have. You don't have money for him.
Me not have the money for him.
Yeah, the money where you send. That means that the money where you send. You did have money for him.
No, so the money from him TikTok, I mean that use my PayPal.
Okay.
Send him everything to Simone.
Never gonna send him.
Because I tell him say I'm gonna
never gonna send him. Want to the loan with me take out. Before I said I got some team to take it before I send him the money. Want to the loan with me take out pam. Me never gonna send him Nurse Brown. Want to the loan.
That's
want
what
to
I
the loan
told him.
take out.
I said it to him.
Want to the loan.
I tell him exactly that. Exactly. Him said no, Nurse Brown.
You shouldn't said it, Nurse Brown.
Him said no, me an idiot. Me's an idiot. You understand? Him said next week, money next week, him will pay. You understand? So I say, all right, next week. You know what Tiki do? Tiki remove me from my own. Can remember my page me give you now. The Tiki, the Queen of New York, him remove my email from the page, and then him remove my PayPal from the page.
Oh.
So I Chev everything in a Chev. So I Chev I get Tiki money. You understand?
Okay.
So I say, all right. You remove everything. Good. I keep on every day, every time when the bank send me the information, say the money due, I screenshot it and I sent it to him. Oh, me not no money. Me have to go print apartment for me and Chev and this and that and that and that and that. And I must have checked me not ask for much. You can at least send $5, $20 every other day so me can pay the loan. So this morning I send him a loan and the message and say, Tiki, I am going to sue you. Because you're not going to make my credit get bad. I'm going to sue you. And he said, everybody get used. Chev I use him, I use Chev. And I saw it go.